Hi, today we're talking about the Fruitful Investor, which is a really robust real estate platform that is available to people that want to learn and begin various types of real estate strategies. In this video, we're going to talk about some different strategies taught by Matt. We're going to talk about real estate and lending as a whole, and we're going to explore a different way of making money online.
The Fruitful Investor is a real estate investing brand spearheaded by Canadian investor Matt Piche. Matt's flagship program is the Fruitful Executive Package, a comprehensive course priced at $997. This package promises to reveal the strategies Matt claims to use daily in his business. His goal is to generate passive income through his real estate investments. Included in the package are the Unlimited Cash course, the Fruitful Renovations course, and a 12-video series tailored for beginners. While Matt offers some free courses, such as the apprenticeship program and single-family investing tutorials, the paid courses delve into advanced strategies like property flipping, attracting joint ventures, private lending, and a modified version of the BRRRR strategy.
This BRRRR strategy is very similar to the concept of house flipping. This system recommends that you acquire long-term property that appreciates over short-term cash. So it starts with buying a distressed property that is under market value. So this is a property that is going to require massive renovations, often rented out to tenants after the renovations are done. Then this property is remortgaged to convert the equity to cash. This cash is then used to reinvest into the whole idea. So it essentially is used to purchase other properties and flip more products.
Matt Piche was a carpenter who eventually became a real estate investor. His portfolio is now worth over $2 million. Matt is an expert in single-family properties, although he has also ventured into multifamily investments. His successful ventures are in house flipping, property rentals, private lending, and joint ventures. He claims to have developed an autopilot system for real estate investing, which purportedly allows investors to travel while their properties generate profit. In addition to the Fruitful Executive Package, Matt offers several other courses.
For many, passive income is the goal of real estate strategies like what the Fruitful Investor teaches. And passive income is certainly a possibility for those who know what they're doing and have pretty much the difference in startup capital to cover any mistakes or major renovations that come along the line. If you're looking for a short distance to passive income, however, I would not suggest going into real estate. And one thing that I really like about Fruitful Investor is that they offer free classes at first so that you can get a feel for if this is something that you really want to dive into. For most, you're going to have to put in years of your time and thousands of your dollars to really see that solid passive income.
The Unlimited Cash course, priced at $497, focuses on branding, creating free products, building an email list, and attracting joint ventures. The Renovate Like the Fruitful Investor course, available for $347, provides a detailed guide to house flipping, including a full materials list and a stress-free renovation system. For beginners, Matt offers the Your First Steps 12-video series for $37, covering essential topics like calculating cash flow, marketing for tenants, and attracting partners. He also provides a course on stock market investing, the Fruitful Stock Options, for $397, which introduces concepts like trend lines and options trading. Additionally, the Fruitful Private Lending course, priced at $297, teaches how to earn up to 17% interest through private lending. It comes with ready-to-use templates of mortgage agreements and contracts.
And I love that the Fruitful Investor has many options for wherever you are in your real estate journey. You can start with those free courses and work your way up into other areas where you see an interest or a need to grow. Maybe you are thinking of scaling in a certain way, and it's pretty handy that everything you need to follow this business model is right there. It's interesting as well that the Fruitful Investor includes a stock market course option. This could be one way to fund future properties, especially if you're hurting for cash flow. However, remember, all of these are investments, and so you're going to need a lot of investment to have a significant return.
His coaching sessions are personalized and focused on individual client needs. Matt offers tailored solutions that help grow the real estate business.
Before diving into any course, especially a platform like this that could be a resource to you for many years, you want to make sure that you vibe well with the coach's teaching style. And so from what we know of Fruitful Investor, it seems that their coaching approach is very personalized to you, which tends to have a positive effect in general when you're talking about education. However, definitely take a look at all of Matt's free resources first to make sure that his kind of teaching is going to mesh with how you learn individually.
Despite the broadness of the topics in the course, there are still those who criticize the program for the lack of social proof. While Matt provides valuable content on his YouTube channel and podcast, there are no published reviews or real-life success stories from those who have taken his courses. This makes it difficult to assess if the courses are legitimate or not. While Matt Piche's courses offer some value, they may not be the best starting point for new investors due to their high cost and lack of proven success stories. In summary, the Fruitful Investor courses by Matt Piche provide a mix of valuable insights and advanced strategies, but they come with a high price tag and limited evidence of effectiveness. Aspiring real estate investors should carefully consider the pros and cons before committing to these courses. House flipping requires a significant upfront investment, not just in purchasing the property, but also in renovation costs. If the market shifts, renovation costs overrun, or the property takes longer to sell than anticipated, inexperienced investors may face substantial financial losses. Real estate markets can be volatile, and predicting trends requires experience and deep market knowledge. An inexperienced investor may buy a property expecting prices to rise, only to find the market cooling, leading to lower than expected resale values or extended periods of holding the property, which can drain resources.
These are all massive downsides to real estate when you are talking about real estate in a physical sense. What we do deals with what we like to call digital real estate, which eliminates almost all of these major challenges. First of all, high investment. You won't need as high of an investment when you're creating a piece of digital real estate. In other words, a digital billboard, a website that promotes services in a local area. Since it's not a physical building, you won't have to worry about crazy renovations. You will have to do periodic maintenance on your site. However, once it is ranked, this maintenance is very minimal. You don't have to worry about market shifts because these websites always deal with services. People will always need services like plumbers and roofers, whereas people won't always need to buy a new house or buy a apartment building. You also don't have to worry so much about your inexperience as a beginner. So first of all, you have far less to lose with digital real estate. If you make a wrong call or you put your investment in the wrong place, you're not going to lose or be saddled with an entire building that is never going to move. Massive losses are possible with physical real estate, but with digital real estate, you're working on a much smaller scale. And while there is a learning curve to our specific business model, this essentially keeps everybody and their brother out from trying to do what you're doing and saturating your market. So there, of course, is a lot more that goes into this, but if you're interested in learning more about digital real estate, check out the link in the description below.